Alright, so we are given a triangle whose perimeter is given by this expression, 13x minus 7y. And the lengths of two sides of this triangle are given. One is 7x minus 3y, and the other is 5x minus 4y. And our job is to find the length of the third side. Okay, then the length of this side plus the length of this side and plus the length of the side that we are trying to find would equal the perimeter. So to find this, we would have to subtract the lengths of the two sides from the perimeter. So let's do that. 13x minus 7y, the perimeter, minus the first side, 7x minus 3y, minus the second side, 5x minus 4y. And let's expand that. So the first set of brackets would just open and it would be just as it is. So 13x minus 7y. And we have a minus sign. So we switch the signs of both terms in the set of brackets. Minus 7x. And we have a minus, so minus minus is a plus. Plus 3y. Minus 5x. Minus minus, so plus 4y. Alright, then let's find all the like terms and group them together. So we have 13x minus 7x minus 5x. So 13 minus 7 minus 5. So basically it's 13 minus 12, which is 1. So we have x. In the y terms, we have minus 7y plus 3y plus 4y. So minus 7 plus 3 plus 4, which is actually 0. So we find that x is the length of the third side that we were looking for. So let's write down the answer in sentence form. The length of the third side is x. And that's it for this question.